Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to send a reminder email from your Gmail. So setting a reminder on your Gmail is super easy and simple. You just have to simply open up your mail, and once it is open, on the right side you will see we have different options. From these options, we also have the one option for the task. Once you put your cursor onto it, you can see the task one. You can click onto it, and after that you have to click on add a task. Then here you just have to simply first give it a heading. It could be anything for whatever reason you're creating. And if you would like to add any subdetails, you can also add it. Once you have added the title and the details, you can set the date and even the time. You can set any date of your choice that is in the future, and in the time you can just simply set it. And after that your reminder will be ready, and whenever that time will come it will remind you about your email that you have to create. So that's how you can send a reminder email from your Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.